So basically, this is your huge and spacious living, and even the kitchen is much more spacious, which is in the center of the room right over here. And this bedroom, life feels different when everything falls into the right rhythm. And this is where the rhythm begins. Presenting you Acid Melodies of Life. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal, and today we'll be doing the 3 BHK sample flight tour of Acid Melodies of Life located in Sarjapur East, Bangalore by Acid Group. And right now we are here on the actual site of the project. So let me show you the surrounding of our project, and I'm standing near the main entrance. So the main entrance is exactly in front of me. So once you enter, the land parcel starts from here and the marketing office is just over here. Now, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview. So Acid Melody of Life is spread across 3.2 acre of land with 2 residential towers with each tower of basement ground plus 13 floors, offering you purely 3 BHK residencies. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and this project offers you 30 plus world class amenities like of pets park, kids play area, you get a basketball court, multi-purpose court, gymnasium, and many more amenities in the project. Now let's discuss about the location part, and our project is located in Chodasandra, Sarjapur East, Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project, and I'm standing on the main entrance. So this will be the main entrance of our project, and this is the Chodasandra Road, which will connect you to Hosa Road. Now we'll be discussing about the further connectivity part. So you can connect to Notre Dame Academy in just 800 meters. Hosa Road is 1.8 kilometers away, and PNR Felicity Mall, which is 4.4 kilometers away from our project. So now let's have a look at your 3 BHK model flat of 1827 square feet super built up area. And here's the main entrance of our house. So let's quickly move inside. So once you step inside, let me show you that they are providing you with the foyer area for your privacy, so that your privacy is maintained. And this foyer area will lead you towards your living and dining space. So basically, this is your huge and spacious living and dining area. First, let's focus upon the living area over here. You can have a look, a spacious living area where you can do your own interior, like you can add up your sofa set, your couches, and even the TV unit space. Now with this living area, here's the connecting balcony. The specification and the best part of the balcony, let's quickly check out. The Acid Group provides you all a perfect spacious balcony, almost a room size balcony with wooden finishing anti-skid flooring, half wall structure from 2 sides. And you can do your own interior. You can add up your sofa set like this over here. You can add up your breakfast table as well. Now, once we step inside, let's focus upon the dining area. And here's the huge dining area where you can set up easily 6 to 8 seater of dining table. Even you can add up the cutlery space right over here. Now, with the easy access to your dining area, right in front is the kitchen space. And even the kitchen is much more spacious. The layout says that you can add up the parallel fitting platforms with the cabinets, the refrigerator space right over here. And this kitchen area has a utility space which is enclosed. So let's quickly move inside the utility space, which is divided by a tile drop to avoid the water spillage, comes up with anti-skid flooring, sink area, a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and provision for your machines as well. Now moving further towards your bedroom space, and this home is in a butterfly concept. So your bedroom number 1 is on the one side. So right over here is your bedroom number 1. So once you step inside this bedroom, let's quickly have a look. Comes up with wooden flooring, and this is the huge spacious bedroom with a bed space in the center of the room. You can add up your wardrobe as well, but before that, let's check out the window, which is half fixed and half movable. You can even add up your work table, your TV unit right over here. And this bedroom comes up with a private washroom. So here's the private washroom with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fitting. Now we'll be moving to check the rest of the house. So passing and crossing through your living and dining space, you need to take this passage area again. And once you step over here, the first one arrives is the common washroom. So right over here is a common washroom. Comes up with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. Now about the bedroom number 2. So your bedroom number 2 is right over here. So once you step inside, the specification is about the flooring. It's proper wooden flooring, and here's the bed space in the center of the room. There's ample of space to move around in the room as well. Here's the wardrobe space which is tucked inside so that the space is managed well. And right here is the huge window for ventilation and lighting purpose, where half window is movable and half is fixed. You can even add up your study table, your work table, or else the TV unit space. Now, about the master bedroom. So master bedroom is just behind me, but before that one part. This is a niche area which you can use in a multi-purpose way. They have just made up a wardrobe area that you can add up a storage space. Now the master bedroom is just over here, but before that, let me introduce you with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with actual location tour, with such sample flight videos, with the pros and cons of the project, with payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features are under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free only on Housey.com. Now let's quickly move inside your master bedroom. So again, once you step inside, the specification about the flooring is the wooden flooring, the proper wooden flooring. And this is the most spacious room of the house. You can have a look at the bed space, which is in the center of the room right over here. And this bedroom comes up with a perfect little cute balcony. So here's a balcony area. You can call it as a sit-out area as well. With anti-skid flooring, 3-side cupboard and iron railing. You can enjoy a perfect quality time over here. Now once you step inside, you can add up a working table, you can add up a TV unit space or whatever you like. Now this bedroom comes up with walk-in wardrobe concept. Here's a perfect walk-in wardrobe where you can add up your dressing area as well. Now here's the attached washroom. Attached washroom with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. So now, as you all know, we are here at Acid Group's project. Have you checked another project with Acid Group? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details of the project, you can click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.